Okay, here's this Trailblazer. It is a Trailblazer SS clone kind of thing, as the customer described it. But it's just got a bone stock 5.3 with a little Magnuson Supercharger on it. Different injector, obviously, of supporting fuel system stuff for the blower. But just pump gas still. So pretty basic deal. It's making right around 5 pounds of boost right now. Don't expect anything serious out of this thing numbers wise, but again, it is just a starting point. He picked it up the way it sits, and it had been the previous owner had been street tuning it, that kind of thing, so we need to go through, touch a few things up, and yeah, just go from there. Basically, like I said, again, starting point for this. So I don't know what his long-term goals are. I think he wants to make somewhere around 500 wheel with it eventually. But I'm going to dive into it and see where we're at for now and talk about the plans for the future. On the left here are the numbers that I ended up making with it. This is what it made originally. So it made 327 horsepower, 364 foot-pounds of torque when it got here. I made 361, 378. So not a huge torque increase, but almost 40 horsepower. Here's the graph difference. I did turn it a little harder, you can tell, so that's where some of the power gain comes from. But obviously the top lines here are my programming, and this is what it was before. So significant difference just in the tune. But yeah, still nothing serious. You would think a supercharged LS we'd make 400 wheel anyway, but remember, it is a bone stock 5.3 and it is only making 5 pounds of boost at about 6,000 RPM. So definitely a starting point. He wants to do a cam eventually. I think for now though, I think I'm going to try to talk him into doing just an injector change again, because we are at 85% injector duty with the current setup, and max the fuel system out by just lowering the blower pulley, just putting more boost through this thing. It is a supercharged application, so the blower is the primary air pump here. We're not going to make more horsepower than the blower can move for airflow, right? So try to speed the blower up a bit until we probably run into an IAT issue, and at that point we'll start making engine modifications to it. Just the camshaft change, cam spring setup probably. Then obviously the converter to go with the cam and all the right combination of stuff. But yeah, it's definitely a starting point. I said I think his goals are 500 wheel down the road, and we are going to work with him to achieve that. But that's it for this thing. I'm going to roll it off of here and start on the next project.